Welcome back to Your Commander Collects. Today we're going to look at a figure that I've been very excited about ever since it was announced. I can't believe we got this figure so quick. It's a figure from my favorite line to collect. So with that out of the way, let's go check this out. So who are we checking out today? We're going to check out this guy. Marvel Legends, Supervillains, Marvel's Jigsaw. Finally, we have a Punisher villain. And so far, I'm liking what I see. So let's get him open. Grab the sacred blade of opening here, and I'll be back with you in a minute. Now we got this guy out of the package. Let's check him out. Man, he comes with a lot of accessories. This is how it should be. I'm actually very happy with this. Let's start with looking at some of these. First up, we got this machete. Nice. Even Jason Voorhees would be proud of this thing. Even got paint on the handle. You can see. I got the silver in there. They did a really good job on this. This is how they should be doing. Very impressive. Very happy with that. Let's go with the sawed-off shotgun. Again, paint. Nice looking. Doesn't look like a space gun. Very nice. Very nice. Detailing there. Yeah. They did good. Even got sights. Got the holes to port in effects in. Yeah. We got a metal bat. Now we got with recently, not too long ago, in the Spider-Man retro line wave that just came out not too long ago, we got a bat that came with Hammerhead, and his was just a kind of a flat black, brownish black. This one made it nice silver, got the black down here. So, nice looking metal baseball bat. Man, they did good with this guy so far. We get two of these knives. I think they're actually a little different even. Again, paint on the handle. Nice serrated. Nice little knife. I see, nope, these knives appear to be pretty much identical, but still, I'm happy to get two of them. Definitely nice. Yeah. And then we get two of these little blast effects here. Port it into the shotgun. Got these smoke effects here. Two of them. Now, let's check out this guy. At first, when I got him out, trying to get him to stand was a little hard, but I got it. It took me a little playing here. But man, he's looking good. Nice wrinkles in the suit. Detail. Not pinless, but it's still white on white, so not too bad. Honestly, the pins never bothered me. I don't know why it does some. I get it. But especially with the prices going up on these things. But yeah, at first I thought this was the same as that retro. Man, my mind went blank. Commander's getting old. Retro. Man, I can't even think right now. You ever have those moments? I know I do. Hammerhead. There it is. Man. Alright, we're good. Back on track. But yeah, I thought this was going to be the same as Hammerhead's, but no, it's actually different. We'll look at him together later, but yeah, it's definitely different. Man, this face sculpt, that is top-notch work. This is how a Marvel Legend should be. They went all out with this guy. Man. Hair texture looks good. Even got a scar in the back of the head right here. Staples. You can see metal staples painted in there. I mean, that's fantastic. You can take this neck brace off if you want to, but I think it looks good on him, so I'll never take it off. Man, that's a great fig right there. I'm liking it. It's kind of hard to put the two blast effects in at the same time, but these smoke effects. Let's see if I can get that looking ported in there. Let's see. Hard to do like this. All right, there's one. See if we can get the other in there. There, can't see the. There we go. See if we can get them looking good in there together. There we go. Yeah. That's how I'm going to keep it. That looks decent. Looks a little weird there. I don't know. I think that one may be longer. Kind of popped out more. See if I can get that in there. Come on, focus. Alright, don't want to focus, but you get the idea. Yeah, I like that. Stick it in his hand here. Come on. Fingers crawling up on me. There we go. No? Still ain't in there. There we go. I got it. Kind of holds it weird. Kind of have to hold it like that to get him to shoot straight. Well, maybe. No, we know. Hand comes down. That's good. All right, that'll work. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I'm liking this. All right. I'm going to have to say, Marvel Legends, the Hasbro team, they did a good job on this one. I wish all Marvel Legends can have that quality of sculpt in the heads and the amount of accessories that this guy comes with. Man. And honestly, another thing, being a Walgreens exclusive, I'm super surprised we got this guy so quick. Last year, when we were trying to get Nova and the rest of them, man, I didn't think they'd ever come, but it's like when they hit on the website all at once, and I was finally able to get them ordered. I got one of them from a buddy, luckily, from Geeked Out Collections in the group. So I was able to get them all. The only one I seen in stores was the Dark Silver Surfer. So after that, never seen any of them in stores. But all right, now comes my favorite part, and yours, of any review, is the comparisons. No, I'm not into doing the whole articulation thing. There's plenty of videos that does that. And if you have Marvel Legends and collect figs that you see in these videos, you know what you're getting. You pretty much know what the articulation is going to be to begin with. So with that out of the way, let's check these out together, see how they stack up, and let's go ham. Now, since this is a Punisher villain, we're going to stack them up with some other Marvel Legend Punisher figs. First off, we're going to start with my favorite retro Punisher. And yeah, they stack up pretty good. Let's grab another here. This one I really like too. I'm a big Punisher fan, so I'm super happy to have this guy finally to put with my Punishers. Got another one here. No shortage on Punishers, that's for sure. Yeah, he looks good with all of them. Still my favorite, my second favorite. And then, of course, we got Punisher on his bike. I didn't want to take him off his bike, because honestly, it's a pain in the ass to try to get him back on there the way I like him, so. But yeah. Yeah, I like this. This is good. Had to stack him up against Punishers. Definitely happy to have this guy. Finally, we get a Punisher villain. Alright, let's move these guys out and go with another round. Alright, time for round 2, but just real quick, I forgot to stack them up against this guy. War Machine Punisher. And that looks good. I like that. So nice to have that. I love how he has all his kills put down here and up on his chest there. Yeah. Glad we got this. Now, let's move him out of the way. And we're going to go with some more suited figures. Now, I don't have a ton of suited figures, mainly because I think most of them are pretty much must be in the MCU series, because I don't have a lot. I have over 400 Marvel Legend figs, and I don't have a lot with suits, surprisingly. So, I only collect the comic versions, so we're going to go with that. This one here, we're going to start with Hammerhead here, because at first glance, I thought it was pretty much the same suit. But as you can see, the collars, they look a little different to me. It may be just me, but they look a little different to me. Whoops. If I don't keep knocking him over. He's got this little handkerchief in his pocket there. He doesn't. Collar, yeah. The collar's definitely different. So, it's definitely a different jacket, so. And then the next one we're going to go with is Big Boss, the Kingpin Build-A-Figure. Yeah, I like this guy. But it's not the only Kingpin. We got the retro Kingpin too. Well, it's hard to get all these guys in here together. Let's see. Bring it out a little bit more. And let's move him back a little bit. Put him back here. Kingpin's a big guy. As well he should be. I think they did a great job with Kingpin. And we're going to bring in another big boy with a suit on. Mr. Joe Fixit. Build-A-Figure. Looking good in that snazzy suit there. And another guy in a suit. Kind of old-fashioned suit. We got the Build-A-Figure, Mr. Hyde. So yeah, I honestly think all those look good together. Got one more kind of suit, I guess you can say suit. J. Jonah Jameson from the retro line. Yeah, I'm liking those. And one more Marvel Legend vid. We'll bring in Wolverine. Just because. Gotta have Wolverine in here. Why you putting me with these people, bub? These chumps, does it look like I'm wearing a business suit? No, not at all. I just think you're a welcome addition. Bub, you and me's gotta talk. Alright, Wolvie, we'll talk after the show. And quit calling me Wolvie. Alright. Just hang tight. Boy, Wolverine likes to talk a lot. Alright. Anyways, that's the second round of Marvel Legends. This next round, we're going to go with some different lines and check them out, see how they scale, just for fun. Like I said, favorite part of any review, comparisons. Some will give you a few comparisons, some does pretty decent comparisons, but man, I like doing comparisons with everything. See what we get. See how everything stacks up. It's more fun. It's my favorite part. I know. Some of you may like the articulation parts, but honestly, not me. I usually skip through the articulation because I already know what I'm getting into. Been collecting long enough. And if you like it, that's cool. Like it all you want. But that's just not me. I feel like it's a wasted time for all of you. So, this I enjoy. I know a lot of other people enjoy it. I've had many tell me that they enjoy the comparisons the most. So, like I said, this is why we go ham. See you on round 3. Alright, time for round 3. Now, we're going to go outside the Marvel Legends lines, and we're going to go with several different lines here, just for fun. And we're going to start out with a DC Icons Joker. Because why not, right? And just because, we're going to go with a Mafex Joker. Yeah, all 3 of these look good together. I like that. So I'll scoot him on over here now. And always, you gotta have your commander. G.I. Joe Classified Series. Stacks up pretty perfect, if I do say so myself. And let's go with a Articulated Icons Ninja. And let's go with Action Force Scarab. I really like these guys. Man, those joints, super tight, but they look so good. And they got a good weight to them. I like that. And let's go with some big guys. A big guy here. We're going to go with Transformers Studio Series Slag. That's fun. And we'll go with Studio Series Galvatron. And let's put him on the other side. There we go. A little smaller than Slag, but that's alright. And just for fun, something out of nowhere, we'll go with the Animal Batista. 7-inch scale. I like the WWE Ultimates. I just wish, I don't know, I'm just not a big 7-inch scale fan. I like the 6-inch scale. And one more, just for fun. Mcfarlane the Clown. And of course he's huge, because Mcfarlane, even though his figs are 7-inch scale, they just look so much bigger. They're huge. I didn't get into the Mcfarlane DC line. I started to, got a few of them, and I'm like, I just can't, I can't do these. But unfortunately, Mcfarlane's the only one that does Spawn, and I don't have a whole lot of Spawn figures, but I got 5 Spawn figures, so just the ones I really like, and I always wait for them to go on clearance. That's when I'll finally get them, but they do look good. There's many things I don't like about them, but anyways, this ain't his review. This is his review, Jigsaw. So, anyways, I wanted to do one more guy here. Let's see, let's move him back. Scoot the Joker over here. And let's grab Super 7 Lionel. And you know what? I feel like Lionel should be bigger anyways. Alright. That's going to conclude our comparisons for this video. Let's clear all these up and I'll give you my final thoughts. Now, what are my final thoughts? On a scale of 1 to 10, for a Marvel Legend, this guy's a 10 to me. I'm really impressed. This is how Marvel Legends should be striving for. This is a fantastic fig. That head sculpt is just one of the best I've seen from Marvel Legends. The detailing is crazy. Whoever did this head sculpt, he should be the one to do all the head sculpts. Because, man, he put pride in this thing. It's just fantastic. The detail, even on the back of the head there, I mean, that's I don't know how they could have done better. I mean, I'm super impressed. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. Commander approves. If you have a chance to get this guy, don't pass him up. You know, definitely get him. Now, with that out of the way, you know the whole spiel. You liked this video, you had fun, you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. Help a small YouTuber out. Also, don't forget to join Geeked Out Collections Facebook group. Good group, good people. And one other thing, if you made it this far, I want to ask you, what is your favorite part of most reviews? I mean, I do more lookouts than reviews, giving my opinions, but I guess in a way that is a review. But what is your favorite part of when you're watching a review? Let me know down in the comments. We'll see what I can put in there. Try to make things more enjoyable. Words, for all of you. And more entertaining. What can I do to make it more entertaining for you? Well, it'll keep you coming back and checking these out. Let your commander know. Also, thanks for checking it out if you have. Till next time, Cobra!